This is very important. We need WhatsApp. We need one AI tool, which is called Twilio. You can note down, you can keep a record of it. Twilio account. And we need to create one WhatsApp business number, which I've already said the number with you. And I've configured in my WhatsApp, which is international WhatsApp number created by Twilio, apart from your WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number of the service provider. And I'm providing service, and you will ask me to this WhatsApp number so that you will get the service. And then I'm using the Gen AI platform, which is OpenAI account. Then I'm using another AI tool, which is Zapier, and then personal WhatsApp number, which we have already. How to do this? How to ensure this automation with generative AI? If you're technical background, it is very easy. If you're not technical, then don't worry. There is no coding is required. There is not very much strenuous because it will take some time to understand. And once you are interested, then definitely we'll take class for you, separate classes for you, so that you can know, you can apply in your organization or any place that you are working. You need to have personal WhatsApp, which we have. Then we need to have LinkedIn open. We have to link OpenAI, which is of ChatGPT. This is LLM, Gen AI platform, which will guide our WhatsApp number that we have created, and it will guide our WhatsApp to answer the queries of clients. We need one more AI tool account, which is Twilio account. We have to register in OpenAI. We have to register in Twilio. We have to obtain the username and password. After password, username, you will get SID number, token number. Then we have to create the WhatsApp number in Twilio, which is international number, which I have already said with you. Then in the same Twilio, we have to create a messaging service. What messages that we want to share with our clients. Then whatever messages that we are going to say, it is a one format only, one small format that we have to fill in. I'm going to share my product services details to my customer. That's it. And we have to get the approval from Facebook, because WhatsApp is part of Facebook, and that approval will come within 5 minutes time. So Facebook will understand, yes, this person would like to use for his business, and this is the template, and they are using WhatsApp to use it. Because if the approval is not there, people may misutilize. People may use this for different purposes. And there is a government of India's guideline also that it has to be approved by Facebook, so that people will not violate the uh, 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 data protection act of India. So this is what very important to ensure. That's why Facebook is asking for approval. Once we get the approval within 5 minutes, we have to create another AI tools account, which is Zapier account. In Zapier, we have to create Zaps. Zaps means we have to give the instruction what you need to do. What we need to do here, we are giving instruction that please use my WhatsApp. And you create one WhatsApp number which is already created in Twilio, and the messaging service is also created, and which is linked to OpenAI. Now it is linked to OpenAI, and OpenAI is now linked again to the Zapier. When anybody is accessing my WhatsApp number, which I have created in Twilio, and asking any question, then it should answer automatically. There is no human intervention in this. You can say, your question should be there, how it will interact. See, suppose you are asking about Gen AI, then it will not depend. OpenAI, ChatGPT will not depend on anything. It will answer you automatically. Suppose you want to answer about your product. Your product is Gen AI based product. Your product is to module some engine, and this product having 2 years warranty, this product cost is this, the product configuration is this, all details if you have, all the details can be uploaded to Zapier. And when the people are asking, it will search that place and it will take the result and give the answer to the WhatsApp. If it is not getting the answer from the seed that you have uploaded in Zapier, then it will take the help of OpenAI. Even though if our answers are not properly arranged and the customers are asking so many questions, then OpenAI will take the details from our seed of question answer. It will frame accordingly our instruction and it will give. See, if you type to whatever account WhatsApp number I have given, if you just type and ask what is Gen AI, then you can get the answer immediately. So once this is done, once this configuration done, and it will connect to our Twilio WhatsApp, and then our WhatsApp is now connected to across the universe. You can access our WhatsApp from any WhatsApp number which are present across the universe. This is real. This is what we have real. This is not we are giving any demo. This we have done. And this is what we are showing. If you want to have your specific product details, then we can have a separate sheet for it. If you want to more filter, more refined way of uh, replying to your queries of the customers or clients or your students or trainees, then we can have one more level of chat GPT or general prompt based general GPT connectivity. And if you want professional way of replying it, those companies like Google or Microsoft or AWS, those are using the WhatsApp message, automated message. Whatever you ask, it will reply automatically. Then we have to configure vector-based embedding. This is a lot of processes. It's not so. It looks very high, watts. But once you do it, it will be very easy. How to do this? Let us. We will now see. I will open first. I will remove all other unnecessary consoles from here so that concentrate on here. This also I remove. 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 Sorry, this also remove. This also remove. Okay. Now I have to open Twilio. 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 You have to log in this Twilio account. You have to create your username and password, which I have already created. It may log in directly. Once you use your credential, this is what the credential is asking. I'm using my business account. Okay. And this is the process you need to follow. Verify, then continue. I'm opening Twilio AI tool. This is used for automation. Verify, success, then continue. It is continue. Now open. I will open AI. See, this is very important now to understand what is OpenAI. www.openai.log. OpenAI is LLM or generative uh, AI, which is working behind your chat. Once you use this chat GPT, who is managing this? This is what the OpenAI, which is managing this chat. So I'll not go to chat GPT now. I'll go to OpenAI, open the OpenAI right now. I have purchased this. I have paid some amount and purchased it, which is you can use it free of cost also, but with some limitation. And this is what the OpenAI is now created, and it is open. And this is what the dashboard of OpenAI has got huge application you can use for because this is the Gen AI platform. You can use the automation is the maybe 0.01% of the OpenAI application. Anyhow, this we have the dashboard where you can see all the details, but very important that once you create your OpenAI account, very important part is that you need to generate API. API key means application interference key, which will be generated by OpenAI for your secrets, so that other person cannot use this. So ensure that when you are opening OpenAI, you have to use your credential, use your account, maybe free account or maybe paid account. Then you generate the API key, which is very important because I already have generated API key, which I'll show you. I will not show you more, but these are the API key I have created. I copied it and kept it in my test. And this API I can use in automation. So I have opened Twilio. Twilio is open now. And this is the Twilio homepage. And this is the API open AI. Open. I have to open one more AI tool, which is Zapier. Zapier. Zapier is another robust AI tool which is used for automation, complete automation. You can do automation for WhatsApp, you do the automation. Your Messenger, you can do the automation. LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, so many things you can do. But I will show you how to do WhatsApp automation using Twilio. Then here is Zapier, and here is OpenAI. In OpenAI, I have created the keyword. I have taken the API key, and Zapier, I have also logged in as my username password. This is the Zapier window, and this is the Twilio window. Because I'm repeating the same thing, you should understand how the technology, how the sequence is. I will repeat it once again. But I have opened Twilio, I have opened Zapier, and I have opened the Open. I will remove this also. Chart. Now, in Twilio, I have to create one WhatsApp. I already did. Zapier account. Now I have to create one international WhatsApp. So how to create this? I will go to account dashboard. Then from here you can see message. You go to message. In message, you can go to sender. Okay. Message means we have to send, right? We have to send from WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp send. I've gone to send WhatsApp. Here I have already created, so I'm not creating, but if you want to create, you can use create new sender. Click on this and it will create one WhatsApp number for. And this is the number I already created. And then as already told, I have to get the service, message service to be open. Go to service under the messaging and you create message service. I have already created. I'll open it and show you. Very simple. This is only a few details we have to what is the name of the service and what you are going to do with this service. I have given engage in a discussion. I have entered it. I create. So I have created the message services. I created the WhatsApp number. Now I have to integrate. You got my point. I have created the Zapier. I have created the OpenAI keyword, key API, API key number. I have now created Twilio. I have created WhatsApp number in Twilio. I have created messaging services in Twilio. And I got the output. Once you create, it will go for up. Then in this message services is very technical, very, very technical. You have to choose send a web because Twilio is a platform which has got your WhatsApp and which is linked to the complete internet. In that, we are selecting here in message service that once if someone is sending some information from its her or his WhatsApp to my international WhatsApp, then you go for webhook. Webhook is an option. We are giving instruction to the system saying that you use this webhook technology to take that message and hold it. Keep that. You have sent the message. Twilio has received that message and it has taken to the send webhook technology based platform in that and kept it. This is the work the messaging will be done. What will happen next? The next we will go to Zapier. In Zapier, I have to create jobs. Jobs means assignment, instruction. One instruction is one job. Second instruction is second job. So I have to create, you press create, it will create job, but I have already created. I will show you what is that job. Very interesting. You can see this job, all menu driven. There is no coding required. I have created one job. You can also create job from here. You can see create job, you can create, but I have created. And once you create, it will open the same window which I am going to open it. It is now opening the job. And here I am utilizing the flow. Very nice flow. Okay. See what is happening. Somebody has sent the WhatsApp message to my international WhatsApp message that I want to understand about Gen AI. Then Twilio received that message and connected to webhook. Now that Twilio is now to be connected with Zapier. In this section, the first flow, I'm connecting Zapier to the Twilio saying that if you get any message, take that under webhook technology and send it to Zapier is asked in this flow. Then that message will come from Twilio WhatsApp number through webhook technology to Zapier. Now the message is now in Zapier. First row is over. First step is over. Next, it will ask OpenAI. Hello, Mr. OpenAI. I got a query from my customer and he's asking or she's asking what is generative AI. Will you be able to help? And Zapier will send one query to ChatGPT. And this is what I have configured here. He, Zapier will connect to OpenAI. OpenAI will take that and it will use its LLM model. It will use NLP model. It will use generative AI. This is what you have to understand. What is generative AI? Generative AI will understand what is the query asked by the client or by the student or by the customer. It will analyze that because it is model already developed. And you have asked what is generative AI, it will search and then it will generate the text for okay, generative AI is to produce AI based text, video, all that detail, and it will frame. It will say, yes, I am Mr. Japier, my text is ready to your query. What should I do? Japier will say, okay, please send me back. That's the third flow I'm utilizing. Then after OpenAI send back to Zapier. Zapier is see if it is 10 pages or 5 pages or unnecessary informations are also provided by OpenAI. So it will request OpenAI to filter it out. I just need 4 5 sentences. I don't want more. Then we are doing the filtering. Then if you want professional way of answering, then I'm putting another level of filtering. See, as I told you, if it is about generative AI, this filtering will work. Suppose it is about your product and services, Gen AI doesn't know what is my product. So here I have to create one job or web flow where I will attach my question answer here. That's all. So if you want the question answer to be replied from this sheet, it will go to sheet, or OpenAI itself only will generate the answer. Once we filter it, after filtering, and finally you will get the text. You look, this is what the filtered message of your query. And you can see the configuration. You have to drop them, which will take time to understand, but it will not take much time if you go for this learning. You can ask Mamagam to teach you, so they will definitely help you. After this process, it will send the detail back to you because WhatsApp message came from WhatsApp and it has gone to Twilio, gone to international WhatsApp number. It came to your Zapier. Zapier received that message. Then Zapier taken the help of generative AI, that is OpenAI used. See, here instead of OpenAI, you can use Gemini also. You can use many LLM portals are there, LLM models are there, generative portals are there where you can use. Because I'm using OpenAI, which is the robust, so you can. I'm demonstrating, but you can choose any other platform also. Once the text is ready or answer is ready, the Zapier will send that message to you. Look, this is what the answer for your. Then Zapier will send that message to Twilio. Twilio will send back your WhatsApp. See, whatever number I have given, in that you ask now, what is, do you know, do, do you know Mamakam, Mamakam dot in? Let's ask. Now it has gone to Twilio, then Twilio sent to Zapier, Zapier sent to OpenAI, OpenAI is working on that and filtering, it is taking time. Yeah, then now the answer is, yeah, hi aspirant, here is the answer to your question. Yes, Mamakam is a town in the Tamil Nadu, India, it's showing because it is something which is not known to OpenAI. OpenAI will understand generative AI, but OpenAI will not understand Mamakam. So what we need to do here, I have to add one seat here, and about Mamakam, I have to add seat so that it will take the details from Mamakam. This is the only difference. Okay. Suppose I ask generative AI, generative AI, and question mark. Let's see what it is answered. And this is what we developed with what I'm showing you. It's not false. And it is done. See, it's given clear answer. Generative AI system capable of creating new content such as text, image, blah, blah, blah. It used in the. You can also try from your mobile right now in WhatsApp message. You can, it is taking some time or it will take some money from my account, but doesn't matter. You can test it. Once it is done, you can get the message from. And this is what the flow you can build for any of your application that you want.